Today, I'm going to show you guys how to use adjustment clips to their fullest in DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to show you guys basic stuff that most video editors should know, all the way to stuff that I use them for personally. So let's get right into it. First of all, let's go over how you find an adjustment clip, okay? You literally just start typing in adjustment clip and it's under effects. You can go to effects or you can just click the toolbox here. This is of course in the effects, so make sure you click on effects and then there you go. I recommend hovering over it and clicking this star here. That will put it down in your favorites, so you'll have access to it fully. Now, what we are then going to do is drag adjustment clip on here. And the brilliant part about adjustment clips is they can go all the way. Like, you can make it the length of your whole clip if you want to. No problem at all. Now, let's go ahead, get the basic way that people use adjustment clips out of the way. If we go to the color page, you will see that there is an option. If we right click on here, we are on the adjustment clip. We go to LUTs, okay? And then there are lots of LUTs. That is the big thing that people use adjustment clips for. LUTs, which is good. That is definitely one use. And then if we go back to the page right here, we can sort of just make this so we can see a before and after. Okay, so let's say we want this adjustment clip, or let's say we're not sure if we want it. Okay, we don't get delete it. We can drag over a second adjustment clip. Yes, you can have more than one adjustment clip. Okay, and then all we have to do is disable this track and it disables that adjustment clip. And then we can put a whole new effect on this adjustment clip if we want to do. Like, let's pick a very basic effect, okay? Now, it won't really show this here because we're on an adjustment clip, but it will work just fine. So let's say digital glitch. As you can see, the digital glitch is happening on the bottom layer. On this video footage, it's happening. Let's go ahead and play it. And as you can see, it is digital glitching. And then if we enable this, yes, you can have multiple adjustment clips at the same time. Now, I'm going to show you guys a cool trick, okay? We're going to go here to video, okay? Then here's the cool trick, okay? We can actually, you see this adjustment clip? This is the one with a LUT, right? We can drag it here. And let's rename it LUT clip, okay? Plain and simple. We can delete this LUT clip. So as you can see, we don't have the LUT anymore. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. But we can drag this back here. And there it is. It saved the LUT there for us. Because it had all the components in DaVinci Resolve. So it just saved the LUTs for us. And, okay, this, what I'm about to show you guys, is probably one of the things I use the most, okay? So, if you want to do a simple black and white effect in DaVinci Resolve, usually you go over to color and then you do the saturation all the way down. And, you know, it's fine. It's okay, but let's say you want to gradually go down. Now, if we go to the color page, you will see that there is no option to actually gradually do it because there's no way we can do keyframes because, you know, it's a simple saturation thing. But that's where you're wrong. We will drag over an adjustment clip. We will go to the full length, click on the adjustment clip, go over to the color tab or color rather, and then we will do saturation all the way down. I know what you're thinking. Okay, fine, but that doesn't really get the effect we want. That's where you're wrong, okay? Because this adjustment layer can be keyframed. Yes. So what we will want to do is go down here to opacity, okay? Bring the opacity down to 0. Click on the keyframe. Click on the last keyframe or wherever we want it to end. And then change that to 100. And then if we go to the start and then play it, you will see that it is very slowly, but I assure you it actually is. I just picked a very long clip, but you will see that it is actually going down in saturation. It's eventually it's going to be fully black and white because it is going down. This is a nice subtle going down. You'll see it happening right in front of your face. And I honestly think that this is the best way to do it because for these shots, you sometimes want it to slowly fade around and whatnot. Now, of course, if you do choose to resize it, you'll have to play around with the keyframes again. Like, we could just have this go to 100, I guess, here. And we would see what happens there. And then that's just it, plain and simple. Like I said, this is what I use it for the most, stuff like this. In fact, in my power bins, I have a certain one that I use quite a bit. If we go to effects, it's called colorless waves. So this actually has a few colors on it. You know, it has a few effects on it. If we go to the effects here, you'll see that it had fast noise, and of course, I gave it the whole thing with the saturation. But I did that for the whole thing because this is for a specific thing. And yeah, that's just the brilliant power of these adjustment clips. And hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Feel free to let everyone know how awesome you found this. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.